Hello, traders. So today I'm going to talk to you about the common myth. So most of the new traders think that gapping up stocks continue to trend up and gapping down stock will continue to trend down. And if you are trading and you are in the market for a while now, based on the market tuition fees and the losses, you might have realized that that is not true. It is not necessary that all the gapping up stock will continue to move up, trending up all day higher, or is gonna trend down. What this course is going to help you is to help you understand, if give you a criteria and the parameters, how you can better gauge, how you better understand that the price action around that whether the stock is going to retain the gap or not. And you can build and learn the way to help you predict the price action based on the certain criteria. And once you see those price action, how you will read that and then make the execution and a trading plan. But before even the price action, there are certain other important things you need to know before you plan your trades. And I'm going to teach you a step by step process around that. If you're interested in learning more, this course is going to provide you 10 video course plan, and each week I'm going to release one or two videos, and so that you through that subscription you can able to learn the 10 different ways of trading this stock. So what is the most important thing when you see any stock which is gapping up or gapping down? You wanted to build a thesis around using some sort of analysis. And how would you analyze that? I'm going to teach you that. You need a certain information to pull and to bring together to understand and form a certain thesis around that. So the example what we are learning today is FSLY. This is on the August 5th when it was is gapping down around more than 15%. What we noticed as a part of the 8:40 a.m. Pre-market data analysis time, that we saw the institutional ownership of FSLY is 69.3%. And what is the institutional ownership? Let's take a few seconds to understand. The institutional ownership is just like any parent. So if you're doing a bad job, you're not performing well, they're not going to disregard you, they're not going to abandon you very quickly and easily. Rather, institutional ownership means that they have the buying power, they are looking for a long term, and if they see the company is not performing in the short term, but as the big picture, if they see that the stock or the company has a potential to give them a return, they're okay to buy. And what they do, if the performance for the week and a month is not as expected, they trend to buy more so that when the price raise up, they can sell. They are different from the retail ownership. They have a long term view on that. And now when you look at the FSLY on the day of August 5th, what happened here is that they are down. 52-week range was $39.47 to 1. All right, so market is about to start. Right now it is 9:29 and we are waiting to FSLY to begin its live session so we know how to trade. So what I'm just going to give you a commentary. What we see here, it is on the middle of the channel, not on the low, not on the high, which is 35.49. It is on 34.88 under the VWAP. So that is what I see, and I'm gonna keep pausing in between the videos so that we can do not need to make that big of a video and much easier for you to understand as well. So now let's the market start. Let's analyze the price action. So what the first thing I'm noticing right now, that stock opened weak under the VWAP, under the opening price, and it is trying to move down and trying to break the support which is on 34.31, and the earlier support which is created around 34.50. So let's see what it does. Right now it is trying to break that. Let's see what it does. We need to be ready to take the trades. Okay, well, we notice that it drop, break the support with the 200,000 share volume, immediately bought back and moved back over the previous support, not this support, rather this support came 2470. So it seems to me started coming in. And when the volume started coming in, I see this beautiful candle, and if I'm interested, if it's move over 3430, I'm going to take the 30 cents risk, and I'm wanted to go long. I'm going to go long over 3430. This is the spinning top candle, which shows that there is a buying pressure, and if the stock moves